you telling Mommy a story? Bless you. Can you tell Mommy more of your story? Uh-huh. And what else? What else? Did you eat your sock in this story? Yeah. What came next? What happens next? What happens next? Oh, you forgot the story? You forgot the story?